GPS-less. Hey guys, there's definitely something faulty on my battery bank. Or maybe with a cable, wire. I gotta get a new wire. I gotta get a USB to iPhone wire and see if that's the problem. Have the a brand new wire will work all the way right away and interrupt service. Yeah, so hopefully there's gonna be like a Walgreens or gas station. They usually now sell them, but I hope they're gonna have a USB to this one. Beautiful house here out on the prairie. Oh wow, guys, isn't that something, huh? Isn't that something? Wow. There's like a big chicken there. Big alarm thing for maybe if there's a tornado. You guys see that speaker? Basically, when this road, the right road comes to a dead end, which I think is right there where that forest starts. So there, guys, we're gonna make a right, and then the road's gonna dead end there. It's gonna take us left back up north. Up to this road called like Plum Plum Tree Road or Plum Grove Road. I know it's Plum something. And then that'll take us to sort of the main street in Morris, which is Division Street, and we just go up to Culver's from there. Go straight north. As soon as we see Culver's, behind Culver's, there's the Motel 8. We'll probably see some signs for them. I saw them all over the highway. Oop. Someone behind us. Or wolves. There we go, guys. Yeah. So we're someone way far back. See, here's somebody. No tractors, no machinery, you know, no equipment for farming, no silos. They're just living there. Probably got themselves a good job. Somewhere in Morris. A few miles down the road. Oh. Yeah, guys. So I hope you guys like the McDonald's video. Okay, yeah, so there's a freeway. And here we are. Hey guys, either the road has become sticky again, as I call it. Yeah, seems like it's like quicksand or something. Okay, now I just gotta go up to Plum something road. So I'm gonna put the